Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, kasi. Ito po yung activity namin. What is globalization? Definition example. Increase interconnectedness and the interdependence of world economics, culture, and population driving by cross-border flow in goods, service, technical investment, people, information making even is part of the world, affect other complete process, facilitated by text, internet, transform, policy, trade agreement leading greater but also debate over benefits and drawbacks. So economics law.
This is the key aspect. Economics, free trade, capital flow, and international supply chains connect economics, allowing business to operate globally.
Culture exchange, spread of idea, music, food, and cultural, practical leading greater diversity but also concept about homogenization, north, normal world, technological advancement, effect, communication, transformation, technologization, alternation, faster shift, economic drivers rising the world. Political operation, formation, international body, agreement like trade, part, manage, global action. Driver,
This example, drivers, technology, internet, physical communication, and advanced in transport. Policy, reduction of trade barriers and promotion of international cooperation. Investment, benefits of economics, grow lower price, greater access to resources, cultural understanding, and potential of global problem solving. That